इतने से कीचड़ की वजह से तो आप पैदा हुए हो।
Hey everyone, so according to recent UN reports, there are 712 women who are dying every single day during childbirth, during pregnancy. It means every 2 minutes a woman is dying during childbirth. Ironically, in today's world, when girls are so outspoken, they speak freely about their problems, physical issues. At the same time, we have men in this society who are actually making fun of such things. First of all, I just want you to listen to this clip. I am not playing the whole clip, but just this part.
आप जहां से बाहर निकले थे वहां क्या गुलाब उगे हुए थे बच्चे? कीचड़ नहीं था क्या वहां पे? इतने से कीचड़ की वजह से तो आप पैदा हुए हो।
So this person has 3 million followers on Instagram. Just Instagram. I'm talking about Instagram. I don't know about YouTube and on any other channel or platforms. So his reel came up on my feed, and I was just listening what is he saying, because I think ignorance is not a good thing, because I could have ignored this reel, but I wouldn't have known that okay, we still have men in this life, men in this country who are so confident while making fun of such things. This person is making money by making fun of something very very serious, which needs to be taken care very sensibly, not like a comedian. And okay, first of all, I have just one response to this person, this idiot. Maybe you came out from mud, okay, and I think it's naturally reflected in your attitude, in your content, but not everyone is came out of mud. We know that our mother had sacrificed herself for bringing us all in this world. मेरी माँ ने मुझे कितनी मेहनत से मुझे इस दुनिया में वो लेकर आई हैं, इस चीज़ का एहसास मुझे है। एंड यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जिनको एहसास है हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट इट वॉज फॉर हर टू ब्रिंग अस इन दिस होल वर्ल्ड, in this human world. So I cannot take it as a joke, and I think no one should take it as a joke. Now, when someone comes and take action against this idiot, then people from his community, so-called community, stand-up comedian community, will come and start crying, there is no democracy, we are living in India. They'll defend themselves by saying कि कितने सारे तो नेता लोग हैं, वो पता नहीं क्या क्या कहते हैं, उनके अगेंस्ट एक्शन नहीं होता है, एंड हम वी आर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क, वी आर क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, वी आर मेकिंग पीपल लाफ, एंड हमारे साथ ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी राइट. दिस इज़ वॉट यू डिज़र्व. This is what should be happening to you all who thinks कि आप इतनी cheap comedy करके, आप इतनी घटिया comedy करके आप पैसे earn करोगे, and you are giving this society, this generation a very wrong message. It's not just about a message. It is not good. It is not cool to hear such things. बेलगाम घोड़े की तरह आप गंद फैलाते हुए दौड़ रहे हो, भाग रहे हो. तो if someone is taking action, this should be. Because when no one is taking action against you, you are like you have no sensibility, as a society, as a man, you don't have. And the way he's laughing on that, he's calling it keychad. I mean, I don't think that a very sanskari girl, a very good girl who is still very decent. I'm not talking about those girls who was sitting in his concert, in his show, and laughing on such a creep comedy. I'm talking about some decent girls who don't like it. I don't think any decent girl would feel comfortable being around this person, this idiot. I don't think a decent girl would like to be with that idiot. And I think when someone takes action against such people, it is so good. पहले मुझे लगता था ठीक है, it shouldn't be going legally, but there needs to be a line, a boundary which should not be crossed. अभी बहुत सारे उनके डिफेंडर आएंगे, बोलेंगे मैन हैज़ गट्स, मैन हैज़ गट्स. दिस इज़ नॉट गट्स. दिस इज़ नॉट गट्स. ये बहुत ही कायराना हरकत है. ये बहुत ही, आप क्लीन कॉमेडी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. प्रॉब्लम विद दिस जनरेशन इज़ कि आप क्लीन कॉमेडी नहीं कर पा रहे हो. यू आर डूइंग डर्टी कॉमेडी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज़ नॉट कॉमेडी. आप दिखा रहे हो कि आप कितने सेंसिबल हो. एज अ मैन, हाउ सेंसिबल यू आर, हाउ अप्रोचेबल यू आर. एक लड़की अगर तकलीफ़ में होगी कभी फिज़िकली, तो आई डोंट थिंक शी वुड कंसिडर गोइंग टू यू एंड आस्किंग फॉर योर हेल्प. The kind of comedy, the kind of content that you have created, and a lot of people are laughing on that. I don't ever think that women will ever consider you to get help. Never ever. So don't be that man. Be a man जिसके पास कोई भी, any women, whenever she needs help, whenever she is in trouble, she just comes to you. Be a man that a woman needs in this society. Don't be such kind of man जो अगर कभी कोई महिला मुसीबत में और आप सामने खड़े हो, you can help her, बट उसको लगे, वो सोचे 1000 बार सोचे कि नहीं यार इसके पास जाना सही है या नहीं, इसको मैं अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स बताऊंगी, पता चला ये हंस रहा है मुझ पे. सो डोंट बी दैट काइंड ऑफ ह्यूमन एट एनी कॉस्ट.